Please enjoy this demonstration video from the Brown Bear, personally serving you with quality products and an amazing shopping experience. Congratulations on the purchase of your new moccasins, mucklucks, or boots. In order to keep them looking vibrant and new, we recommend using Volant James All Seasons Waterproof Protector before you slide your foot in for the very first time. Simply shake the bottle well, hold upright about 15 to 20 centimeters away from the product, and spray to cover in a circular motion. Be careful not to saturate the material. Once coated, allow to dry. Using this waterproof protector frequently will offer maximum protection. The final step is to liberally spray your boots, mucklucks, or shoes with Volant James Suede and Nubuck Renew. Then take a clean, dry cloth and wipe the spray in and/or off, removing any excess. This renews and restores suede and nubuck, bringing a richness back to the material. For more information on these and other accessories we carry, please see the web link in the description section of this video directly below.